Hey y'all,
What's up, y'all?
welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Izzy,
It's your girl Alyla.
and I'm back with another video. So y'all,
Guess what?
we got a car, and today is Thursday. No,
What?
today is Sunday, freaking
That's November
24th, 10:06. So y'all, we really got a car yesterday night. It's an early Christmas gift for my stepdad and mom, for me and my sister. And y'all, the funny thing is, we don't know how to drive.
But we about to go.
We about to go test drive right now. So yeah, we got a car, fully paid off. Don't gotta pay no what's it called? Car payment.
Yeah, car payment.
Yeah, none of that. Only gas. So we're very blessed for that. And y'all, it's not like a Challenger or Benz or what's some good cars. It's none of that, y'all. It's just a regular small box car that we're blessed to have for our first time not knowing how to drive and just getting a car paid off.
For real.
It's perfect for us. So we're gonna, bro, I hate this. We're gonna show y'all the car, and I'm gonna show y'all driving, kind of recording. I don't know, cause my stepdad, which is our dad, is taking us. But I don't know if he gonna want us to record because he gonna get me. But we're trying to show y'all everything, okay? We're trying to show y'all our life. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
And turn on y'all post notifications so y'all get notified once we drop new videos.
And thank you for supporting us. And we're gonna order car stuff like next week. So we're gonna have another YouTube video on that too. So yeah.
Okay.
Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so this the small little box car. I'm gonna call it box car. You know, something simple for us. Cute. You know. It got a little hit, but like, that's like nothing too bad or a scratch. Not worried about that. So yeah. Just our little box car. Do you love it? I love it too. Okay. This the brakes, right?
Turn the radio down.
You got me confused now.
Okay, which one is the brakes?
Yeah, that's the brakes.
The small one is the gas.
Yeah.
Alright.
Nice. You check your mirrors and stuff? Make sure they're good?
Yeah.
Okay. Make that look good. Yeah. Go a little bit. Then turn back the other way. Now you can start back, y'all.
Okay, yeah, I know how to back up. I told you. You probably don't think I know how to drive. I know how to drive a little bit. Yeah.
You going to your job?
Yeah.
All right.
Look, I know how to drive a little bit.
She know how to drive for real.
Lala, are you used to it?
Yes.
I know how to drive a little bit. I promise you. I just be a little bit scared and nervous, but I've been driving. Huh?
That's why some of the other drivers driving crazy.
Yeah, I just gotta work on my turning. That's it.
Gas too hard every time.
Yeah.
Sometimes you ain't got to hit it at all sometimes.
I know. This car go a little fast. I am
You know how when you stop here.
Yeah, you gotta
You gotta stop first.
So I go.
You said it go fast.
Yeah, it's like the freaking gas.
What, like it's easy to
You can't really hit it that much.
No, I'm just saying because the Nissan, it was hard to hit. You said go.
I said go so you hit the gas.
Oh. Oh dang.
Take your right on that road, straight road.
In my freaking car.
You said what?
35.
To her job? No. Yeah.
I don't know where you're going to drop at, Daddy.
Probably the same way we always go. Cause I ain't driving too far.
I don't think you're going to
But I do need to go back home to back out. Before I start parking the car so it can go forward.
Man, you didn't know how to drive a little bit?
No.
Yeah,
You talking about you had to smoke a cigarette for your nerves?
no, his nerves might be caught up with you.
It's not.
Driving like that, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, I know how to drive.
It's not me.
I don't know how to drive perfect, but like how to get to work is easy. Like you see, it's not like I don't gotta really hit like no main road. Y'all, you want to tell you when grandma take me to work, she don't stop. She keep, grandma keep going.
Your job really easy to go to.
Man didn't know I knew how to drive. I'm dead. Did you think I couldn't drive? Oh, I hate the gas. This car go fast, like
You said it do go fast.
yeah.
Bro.
Oh, Rick, you gotta keep going. Am I doing good?
Yeah.
You got closer if it would turn yellow, you know, you probably could have made it.
So when it's green, do I go or they go?
You go.
Oh.
Dang.
If you were going like they turning right there,
Yeah.
you would have to wait till people go. If they're going straight, go.
Oh,
Wait till you go, then you can turn. Now, why for some people they'll try to turn off, no they can't. You turn. Stuff like that. They know they don't supposed to be passing right here.
wow.
But why he?
I don't know, this stupid. I wish the police would be somewhere with a trailer. When it's the two lines like that, in the
You
middle.
can't. I know. It gotta be
Yeah.
like one line.
See what I'm saying? So you gotta watch for people like that. Idiots.
I'm starting to be driving fast. I don't even know how to drive fast yet.
We're going right there.
They probably Hispanics too.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
It's a little case thing. You slide the key in there.
Okay, Lolly, stop.
This way.
Go the other way.
Yep.
No, don't press
You
it.
turn good. Yep. Hit the brakes.
Turn. All the way. Oh, heck no.
Go to the left.
You don't gotta press on the gas a lot, I probably. No, left. Stop.
Don't turn. Yeah.
Don't even press the gas, bro.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Now turn it back right. Straighten it up.
Okay. Lala, only go to the roads we know. You know where we be practicing at?
To the left. Okay, you got it. Go. Go. Alright, straighten it up.
Good job. It's okay. Don't even be scared. You straight. We need a sign.
A sign?
This says first time drive.
Way too far back, yeah.
Right here.
Alright, stop. Now go.
Okay.
Is it this one?
Yeah. Put your signal light on. Keep going.
Oh, baby, what you doing? Go.
Right here.
Start. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna be having trouble with Lala.
Work on
Yes.
that. Turning too much, you let it.
But
No,
it don't go nowhere when I turn it a little bit.
That's when you let up off the gas. You don't have to hit the gas when you turn. You let up off the gas. It's gonna roll by itself. Just turn.
I'm scared to hit the gas because I got a heavy foot.
Go up a little bit.
Right here?
Go up a little bit. Yeah, now go. I'll start turning now. Go up a little bit in the road. Now start. So you're gonna win that ditch. Alright, now just let it.
There you
back.
go. Fix the wheel.
There you go.
I don't like the gas. It's too
In the road.
I am in the road.
You was on the grass.
Not much road, but
My foot not even on the gas.
exactly. It'll ride. Signal light. You have to put that on before you get there most time. Go up a little bit. Don't start turning now because you're already over there. Go up a little bit. Now start. Yeah. There you go. Right. Ah! Told you to get off.
I thought you talking about because of the cone.
Yeah. Alright. Stop. Signal light.
Go up.
Fall back, baby. Can't see. Go up. Go up. Alright, now start turning. Now get back.
Fix your wheel.
Oh, I need to go back.
Alright, when you're coming up like this, hit the signal light. Then, going on to the stop sign. Get where they
Yep.
Let go.
Turn all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. Oh, good job. You see? You did good.
Go up a little bit more.
Now turn slow.
You were trying to start too early too.
That's the turn.
Oh, you gotta keep turning a lot.
I know that's the good thing though.
So you getting better at it now.
Oh, he's scared me like me on the side of it.
Man, cause last time I drove, she told my son stay on your lane.
That's right.
Cause you do gotta
Go,
step.
Go. Slow down, hit brake. Brakes. Right, yeah.
It's not me. I promise you, my foot wasn't even on the gas.
But you gotta control the wheel though.
You going down the hill, it's gonna pick up speed.
Yeah, you gonna have to put your feet on the brake still. Not even if you hitting it, just have it on the brake. Like,
Yeah.
see? Okay.
There you go.
She get in there. She get in there.
I know what to do now. It's like just the gas. This is the front. This how the wheel look. Everything.
Y'all, we gotta sit up high cause scoot the chair back down.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, well, this how everything look. Oh, hold on. Got
Okay.
some scammers. So this is the radio part. This got aux and it got Bluetooth. And it got the charger. We're gonna vacuum our floor up.
Yeah, real soon.
But
And we're getting decorations.
yeah, we got a lot. The inside
Gotta
is
show the
gonna be
back.
red.
Hold on. Yeah. So our car that we're going with, the color is red. Cause like both of us, she like purple, I like pink. But
We both love red.
we both love red. So yeah. Let's show them the trunk. Wait, who got the keys?
There where the keys at?
You got it? Okay.
Do we got a button on it?
No.
So how you open the trunk?
Right here. So y'all, this is how we open our small little trunk. Okay. Kind of looks spacious, you know. Guess they had dog. So yeah, this is our little mini car tour that we got.
Oh, for real? Cause I already got a keychain.
Our stepdad,
I
well,
got one coming.
my stepdad, which is her dad, bought it for us. So yeah, and we're gonna take these little stickers off. I told my sister I want to put like a God quote back here. Yeah. So yeah, this is our little car tour. Nothing too major. When we get rich, we're gonna have a good car. But yeah, we love our car. So yeah.